So we're here at the event Finder Stadium, the WKN World Amateur Championships. I was fighting Jesse Church from Core MMA until yesterday. He decided it was just a good idea to just leave me hanging, you know. About 8 weeks of starving just for nothing, but it's okay, we're here.
Mai I te mamau ki te MMA mana nui. He whakataetae hou, he tātua hoki kai tōna aroaro. Engari, ko ki haere te waka.
I literally put one thing on him and he was like, oh, who's next again?
Third guy pulled out. I've had 3 different opponents today. This isn't the first time that's happened to me this year either. I don't know. It's pretty. It just pisses me off, you know. I don't know. Just waiting to hear from Steve. Steve's trying to sort something out. Yeah, I don't know, man. I wish I could.
Kua kotahi mai ngā toa no ngā tōpito o te ao. Ko te upoko whakahirahira Bellator hoki tētahi, ko Douglas Lima.
Top fighters, you know what I mean? Good kid, you know what I mean? He's strong, he looks big, he learns quick. And like I said, you know, that gym is going to produce a lot of champions. Not just the gym, but the whole New Zealand. There's a lot of tough guys out here. And yeah, man, it's going to be good. My coach is fighting tonight, you know, he's doing the main event, you know, against a local guy here. So, you know, got a chance to come here, visit this beautiful country. So, just excited to be here.
We got a last-minute opponent change. He's not as light as I am, but that's not what I'm concerned about at the moment. I'm just happy that I got a fight. I'm happy and I'm grateful. This will be my first time fighting for a title. So yeah, I'm stoked. I'm just taking it all in. 4th time lucky. Yeah, my main priority is the IBJJF Nogi Worlds, but with an opportunity like this right here in our backyard, me pēhea e kore ai, you know, we can't pass up this opportunity to get in there, mix it up with some of the best in the world and secure their title.
Making his way to the red corner, give it up for Hakaraya Wilson!
Emotional day, 4 different opponents, and then like a 30 kg weight difference, get to catch weight. It was an emotional day, but man, like looking back at it now, I enjoyed it. You know, that's the kind of character building stuff that that's going to help me in my future. You know, man, all the hard work we've been putting in throughout this whole year,
we've been working our asses off, man, and it really goes to show tonight.